Welcome to Prayas Prabha for educational videos, where effort and knowledge flow like a river.
Introduction to Constitution. It adopted the national song on 24th January 1950. It elected Dr. Rajendra Prasad as the first President of India on 24th January 1950. In all, the Constituent Assembly had 11 sessions over 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. The constitution makers had gone through the constitutions of about 60 countries, and the draft constitution was considered for 114 days. On 24th January 1950, the Constituent Assembly held its final session. It, however, did not end and continued as the Provisional Parliament of India from 26th January 1950 till the formation of new parliament after the first general elections in 1951-52. The Constitution, as adopted on 26 November 1949, contained a preamble, 395 articles and 8 schedules. The preamble was enacted after the entire Constitution was already enacted. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the then Law Minister, piloted the draft constitution in the Assembly. He is recognized as the father of the Constitution of India and also known as the chief architect of the Constitution of India. Some provisions of the Constitution pertaining to citizenship, elections, provisional parliament, temporary and transitional provisions, and short title contained in Articles 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 324, 366, 367, 379, 380, 388, 391, 392 and 393 came into force on 26 November 1949 itself. The remaining provisions, the major part of the Constitution, came into force on 26 January 1950. This day is referred to in the Constitution as the date of its commencement and celebrated as the Republic Day. 26 January was specifically chosen as the date of commencement of the Constitution because of its historical importance. It was on this day in 1930 that Purna Swaraj Day was celebrated, following the resolution of the Lahore Session, December 1929, of the INC. With the commencement of the Constitution, the Indian Independence Act of 1947 and the Government of India Act of 1935, with all enactments amending or supplementing the latter act, were repealed.